Wow, wow, wow. What do we have here? I'm back, and this beauty has. She is going through some rough times. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Henrik's Restorations. I'm sorry, it's been a while. To summarize where we are, the previous episodes I've been talking about my Range Rovers, what my plan is, and also we sold the Chrysler and etc. So that is gone forever and it's very nice. So now my main focus is on this silver Range Rover from 1984. I've been a bit divided in which way I should go with this car. The first plan was to just like get running, go through the MOT or the car inspection service. But the more I was planning to change on it, the more I felt like, oh, maybe it's just like better to just tear it apart and start from scratch almost. So we could repair the frame and do every piece of the welding that has been not properly done before. So I get a nice car that I can rely on and I know that will be good for at least some years before it rusts away. So if I'm gonna go through where I am right now with this car, we're gonna take a walkabout and just walk around the car to see where we are. But we can start here. As you can see, yesterday evening I tear the inner wing away. Because that was rusted and the previous owner put on some like rubberized anti-corrosion surface protection stuff that is gross. It's like some rubber or tar or something. It's terrible. Um, he put it on in the wheel wells and yeah, like everywhere where he thought it was rusty. So that is gone, and I will do the same on the other side, and then I will order new inner wings so I can put up. But I can show you. But as you can see there, in that material, there has been some non-good welding done under there, and he just covered up with that filthy protection corrosion stuff. So that will be scraped away, and I will order new footwells and we will weld them properly. But as you can see, this piece is pretty solid, but like if I'm still gonna remove this part, maybe I just order this one as well, but this just bolts in number of places, and then you weld it to the footwell that is coming from the inside. The A-pillar looks pretty solid. Just like get this stuff off here, paint it, and hopefully it will be very good. I think it's just surface rust. And here you can see we got some things going on. I removed the lower tailgate down here and the upper tailgate. I removed the floor. And here you can see we got quite some rust going on here, but I think it's just surface rust. Maybe there are some spots that is more affected by rust, but I think it's like pretty okay. So if I can clean this and just get the rust off with a grinder or something and then paint it, I think it will be pretty good. And these are changed earlier, I think. So I think it's have been replaced earlier. I removed the back inner ceiling. As you can see, we got some like texture on here. Let's see if we can focus. Here. And I think that's some sound deadening or something. That's pretty okay. But as you can see, ceiling over there, or the, I don't know what you call it. It's sagging, so we need that replaced as well. I also removed the outer wing on this left rear. And the right rear. So this is very good, so we can get access to the frame and the shock absorbers and everything. The tank we can lower down. This is a new tank from the previous owner, so that is very good. I got one extra up there, but that had some problems with the soldering on the on the breather pipe down there, so it's leaking quite a bit. But this one is good, so that is awesome. As you can see, the interior is pretty okay otherwise, and this is like the standard of all of them. The door cards and the seats are also pretty good. We got the other one over there, dirty but still in pretty good shape. But as you can see here, the floor is pretty okay actually. Got some surface rust, but I think we just like grind it down and we can paint it. But I think I will need to unscrew the floor so I can get access to everything better, so I can grind it and paint the total frame, the whole frame. As you can see here, we got some rust going on here, so maybe this like wheel arch need to be replaced as well. And here I removed the seat the other day so we can get some better access. I still have some bolts that are like bolted from the outside, so I need some help to get these off. Otherwise, we changed the transfer fluid to get the, let's see if it works now. Yes, it does. The low, neutral and high gear, and also the diff lock seems to be working good now, so that's good. Otherwise, we haven't done anything at the dash for now. I don't know if you can see from there, but here we have some, like just a metal plate that they just screwed down or riveted in here, so that need replaced, and a whole new footwell I think will be very good. And we can weld, so it's seal and secure and everything. But yeah, I think that's for the interior. The door that I ruined, the first thing I did when I tried to get the hatch to open earlier, I ruined the entire door. So if I shut it, it's locked. Super. Yeah, here you can see what he did. He went mental with this protection stuff. It's so thick layers. In some spots, there's like, you need to dig the bolt out so you can unscrew it. Let's see if we can get it brighter on there. Oh crap. So we got some major things going on with this car. So my plan is now to, as you may have seen, to tear it down and start from scratch almost. So I know it's a good car that I can rely on. That will mean that I need to spend some money to get the parts home that I need, but hopefully that will be a good investment, because hopefully this car will be enjoyed quite a lot, and hopefully if I'm choosing to sell it one day, it will hopefully bring my money back, but we'll see. That's the plan, and I already chosen a paint for it, paint color, and it will be Sahara Dust, like a very light beige color. I tried to paint it on the bonnet and it looks pretty good actually. Pretty subtle color, but it looks can be really cool with some black details and maybe some extra headlights or something. I think it will be very cool. And as you may see in the background, you know the guy Benjamin that is helping me from time to time. Since I want him to be in the garage as much as he can, but I'm not always available to work since I have kids and work and all stuff going on. We bought him a car. Yep. That's a BMW E28 from 1983, I think. It's pretty cool actually. But we've got some problem with it, that car as well. I don't own many cars that works, but it got some ignition problem, so it doesn't get any ignition to the coil or the spark plugs. But that's for him to sort out. I'll just help him, but we will work on this ranging instead. This will be quite some work, but I'm very much looking forward to it, and I just want to give you an update on where I am with this car, since I haven't uploaded anything in ages. I have been a bit lazy and not filming everything that I'm doing because I just want to get it done, but maybe I'll just start recording and I'll just make a time lapse, and you won't notice if I'm doing it incorrectly or correct. So maybe that's an option. I will definitely put out some more content for you, either when I'm doing stuff or just to summarize what I'm doing. That's it for today. I just want to give you an update and say hi, and I missed you guys, and hopefully you will start looking at my videos again. See you later when I'm working on this beauty. See you. Ciao, ciao. And don't forget to subscribe, click like, and leave a comment. See you. Ciao.